Hello children, welcome back to our session today. Yes, so today we are going to discuss our topic and the unit name is here Unit 2 Reading C, that is VVS Lakshman, who is very special to us. Okay, yes, now let us start our Reading C, VVS Lakshman Unit 2. Okay, and he is a very special player to our Indian cricket team. Yes, and he said to us a proverb, and he very much believed in this proverb, that is, treat success and failure on the same wavelength. So success as well as failure, success and failure must be on the same wavelength. He believed in that. So he never gave more value for failure and less value for success, or more value for success and less value for failure. He treated on the same wavelength for both success as well as failure. Success and failure are parts of anybody's life. Of course, everybody will have success and failures in each and everyone's life. The key is self-belief and performing consistently in tough conditions. So whenever we face some problems, when the situations when they are hard and all, we should believe in ourselves first. We should have the self-belief, and we have to go according to that particular situation. Then obviously we will get success. VVS Lakshman tells VV Subramanyam, one of the finest players in contemporary cricket, has called it a day. For someone who delighted cricket lovers with his brilliance with Willow for 16 long years in Test cricket. So that was really a wonderful, it's a magic like, okay, it happened for him, 16 long years in Test cricket. Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman announced his retirement at a crowded media conference in Hyderabad ahead of the two Test series against New Zealand. So when the two Test series were going on against New Zealand, that time in Hyderabad in media conference, he announced this one. What he have announced here, and what is his full name, you should know that. Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. Okay, he is Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. He announced his retirement, okay, in Hyderabad in front of all media when two Test series was going on against New Zealand. And what was his age that time? Here is 37 years. The 37-year-old star batsman, who was part of the fabulous batting lineup which helped India become the #1 Test team, shares his experiences and thoughts in an exclusive interview with the Sports Star. So here is an interview. This lesson, it is an interview where VVS Lakshman have shared his experience with the media. Now let us see with the Sports Star. Here is a conversation going on between the Sports Star and the VVS Lakshman. That is Vangipurapu Venkatasai Lakshman. VVS Lakshman. We gave a nickname like for our sports cricketer man is very special. Okay, so Lakshman is very special to us. Sports Star asked a question like this: when you look back, how has the journey been in the world of cricket? So how was your journey in this cricket world? The question was asked by Sports Star. Then what was the answer given by VVS Lakshman? Let us see. It has been really wonderful. It was lucky that the Hyderabad Cricket Association promoted me and Zaki, that is Zayed Moinuddin Zaki, from the under 16 level itself. They made us play in the under 19 grade the same year. That's really wonderful. Actually, when he was 16 years old, when 16 years young only, he had given like he treated like he is 19 years, and he had given a chance to play the cricket, and that was really a wonderful experience and wonderful feeling for him. Okay, it was a huge leap for us. It was a huge jump for them, and very encouraging. It was really encouraging, and he couldn't forget it. Never. Fortunately, by 18, I was on the verge of playing for Hyderabad in the Ranji Trophy. Honestly, I feel that all the hard work and commitment I put in from the start of my career have culminated in 16 long years of international cricket. It has been an immensely satisfying feeling to have contributed to Indian cricket in my own way. So that was really immensely satisfying feeling for him. And when he started to play at the age of 16 years, like he was written 19 years, and by the time he came to 18 years only, he got lot of experience in his playing and all, and that was really, the feeling was so satisfying, immensely satisfying for VVS Lakshman. Next, sports star. Who has been the biggest influence on you? He questioned. Then VVS said that his parents were really influenced him. His parents, Dr. V. Shantaram and Dr. V. Satyabhama, no doubt about that. So both the parents really supported him a lot, especially given the fact that sports was never an integral part of a family. Actually, sports is not a part of their family only. Actually, their family consists of all the doctors family it is. But he is completely contrast to them, okay. He became a sports star. But the guiding philosophy which they taught was handling success and failures with equal case, okay, equal easy, and they never stopped what is his interest and all, and they encouraged him a lot. What did the sport teach you? So here sports star have asked that what did this sports have taught you? Then VVS answered, character. So the sports have taught him the character, the behavior, to treat success and failure on the same wavelength. It also taught me to be very balanced, and obviously whenever I am today, whatever I am today is because of cricket. So he said that whatever he is now, it is only because of cricket. Okay, cricket taught him the character and how to balance, and obviously, so whatever he is today is only because of cricket. He believed in that. Next, what was the most difficult phase of your cricket career? It was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. Oh, so what was the most difficult phase in his career is compared to the academics, okay. I mean, he preferred more to cricket, okay, to academics. Academics and all he could not take care much. It was when I had to prefer cricket to academics. So that was the toughest moment of his life. Though there was always a dream to play for my country, I also had a natural desire to be a doctor. Actually, as he was, his mother and father were both doctors, and doctor's family he belonged to, obviously everyone naturally they think that they also want to become a doctor. But here he is really a different desire, okay. He also have in the beginning to become a doctor, but unfortunately, okay, luckily my father gave me the complete freedom to choose any one of the two. So he told, his father suggested him, any one you can choose, whichever you are interested you can carry on with that. Here the role of my uncle Baba Mohan was very crucial, along with some of the coaches then. So his uncle Baba Mohan was there, and his role was very crucial, very important one. And with some of the coaches, he encouraged this VVS Lakshman, and he taught him how to play the cricket and how to make success. Do you believe that it will be difficult for the modern day young talent to make it as big as you did? Have things changed a lot in this regard? Frankly, nowadays it is more easy to perform and be recognized because of the media glare. So in those days the media did not cover much, but nowadays everywhere media is there, so easily we can gain our fame and all. So easily they will focus. Suppose one time if you play very well and all, once in media focus if you are there, so next time also they will cover that player only, okay. So easily we can become famous. That is a good platform. There are many platforms for real talent to come good, and the IPL is one such which pushes you into national reckoning. If you perform, you are bound to get recognized. From where did you draw the strength to emerge as a giant every time there was an effort to adapt to your achievements? So how was it possible? Okay, how did you become so successful? That was a question. My parents and my entire family, again he said his parents and entire family has supported him. They along with my well-wishers, so along with family and well-wishers also are responsible for his inspiration and for his success, were always a source of inspiration. The best part is that they never change irrespective of whether I was performing or not. So they never changed it, okay, whether if we give best or if we did not give best also, they were as it is like before how they used to be with him. Okay, what were your biggest moments as a cricketer? What were his biggest moments? There were many biggest moments in his life, but some stand out. Though I never played the World Cup that saw India as the number one team, being a member of the Indian team, which was a world number one in Test cricket, was one of them. The 281 against the Asians in Kolkata in 2001 was another. So he cannot forget, and that was really wonderful one where he got 281 runs. Okay, when he was playing with the Asians in Kolkata in 2001, that was unforgettable. That test remains the most memorable match for me. That was the most memorable for VVS Lakshman. In fact, that test series was very special for all the players, for it was also the best and the most memorable series. That was the most memorable and that was the best series, okay, best one. And that series gave us a confidence. So when he played that one, he really gained lot of confidence, and that we can be the best clearly. That was the turning point of Indian cricket itself. So that was a really turning point for him for the cricket. When you look back, what were the reasons for India becoming the number one side? So what was the reasons when you look back? It is important to remember that it was not a sudden transformation which had come in 1 year. So which he did not gain success only in 1 year. Okay, so it was a very long process. Okay, it all started in early 2000 when Saurav Ganguly became the captain. I feel lucky to have played under Saurav, my first captain Sachin and MS Dhoni. So under these three players he played, and they all led by example. Everyone was a true performer and all of them had traits of leadership. So under them he played, and he really got inspiration from them, and he was very happy to perform under them. How different was Saurav Ganguly as a captain? The question asked by Sports Star. Okay. Now let us see what was the answer by VVS. I must say that the combination of Saurav and the coach John Wright was influential in changing the mindset of Indian cricket itself. For it was then that we started doing well consistently, especially abroad. And we had some amazingly talented individuals with the hunger for success who played with great pride, worked really hard and showed great commitment levels. So they really showed the commitment levels, and how they tried means they are like hunger for success. So that much they struggled, and who played with great pride, and really they had worked hard, and really their commitment levels were really high and great. What has been your funniest incident on the field? So what was funniest incident? Well, with a big smile. So always used to give a smile. When Saurav and I collided while taking a single in an oval ODI, it is still amusing and embarrassing when I took back as to how it could have happened. What was the most disappointing moment for you? What was the most disappointing one? There was nothing like that. Disappointing one is nothing like that for him. But I would feel terribly disgusted whenever I dropped a catch. So he would be disgusted whenever when they give batting, when he missed that catching the ball. That was really disgusting for him when he missed it to catch the ball. I would feel sorry for the bowler who puts in such a great effort and the chance is floored, and that hurt me the most. That time he felt really little bit disappointing. What are your hobbies? So what are the hobbies of VVS Lakshman? Let us see. I love to spend time with the members of my family. Whenever he get time, he loves to spend with their family members, and it gives so much of peace for him. And I do love reading biographies of successful individuals. So whenever he get time, he usually spend with family members Okay, and he reads some books and all the biographies who became very famous. Okay, so such individual books he will be reading, and it really gives him the peace and happiness. But they help us to know how they handle different aspects in life and in sports. So why do he go through those books is those books teach him a lot that how to overcome the problems, and when difficult aspects are there, how to come up in his life, in his sports life. So that's why he read a lot of biographies about such famous people who are you are a complete family man now. Outside you are a celebrity, and at home a normal caring father. So at home usually he is a father, and outside he is a famous celebrity, and you are a complete family man now. So how? I am lucky to have such a wonderful, well-knit family with a wonderful wife. So his wife is really supporting and nice and good, and it's a great feeling to see the kids grow up so fast. Also he is very happy about his kids. It's a real joy to be with them. So whenever he spends time with his kids and all, he really feels so happy. Who are the cricketers whom you admire? So whom he admire, the cricketers, who are they? In my early days, Azhar. So who is that? Azhar. Well, Sachin is such a role model in every aspect. Sachin is also a role model for him, and Kapil was a great inspiration too for him. What is your favorite cuisine? So what is the favorite cuisine here? Cuisine is nothing but favorite dish. Yes, I am a vegetarian. I love to taste all sorts of dishes. Thai cuisines are my favorite. So Thai cuisines are his favorite dishes. What kind of music do you normally listen to, and who are your favorite singers? India has been very favorite to have seen so many great musicians and singers. So Indian music he loves so much, and I love listening to Kishore Kumar and our own S.P. Balasubramaniam. So Kishore Kumar and S.P. Balasubramaniam were the famous singers, and he loved their music and songs, with whom I fortunately enjoy a special personal relationship. He do have personal relationship with them. Okay, usually meet them and talk to them. Which TV program do you love to watch? Generally, I don't miss any big sporting events, and Wimbledon is one such that I love to watch without fail. And with the family members, I do enjoy watching the singing and dancing competition programs. I am amazed at the talent actually. So whenever he sit individually, he usually watch a big sporting events and all. When he sit with his families, he will watch other programs, singing programs, dance programs and all will be there. So all those he enjoy with his family, and I am amazed at the talent actually. So he was really amazed those singers and dancers who are performing in those programs. Okay, he was really amazed to watch all those. And who was your childhood hero? So who was the childhood hero of VVS Lakshman? Childhood and current hero. In childhood as well as current and present also, his hero is his dad. Yeah, I owe everything to him. What is that you miss by being a cricketing celebrity? So what is that he is missing as a cricket celebrity? Let us see. So here, I never thought of myself as a big cricketer. So here, he never thought of himself as a big cricketer. It is also nice to be with his family. So he always usually enjoy with his family members and all. He really loved to spend time with his family members, his wife and children, kids and all. Okay. So my wife has all the qualities I look for. Whatever the qualities he expected, all he can see those qualities in his wife. And I have two wonderful kids. He is having two wonderful kids, and I am blessed to have such a family. He really feels that he is so blessed with such a wonderful family. And have you given a thought to post retirement plans? So here, have you given thought to post retirement plans? Any retirement plans have you any plan in such way? He asked SS, that is sports star. Well, I have a dream to set up a school and an academy. So he wants to set up a school as well as an academy. I am confident of realizing this big dream. So he believes he is having so much confidence that surely he will construct a school and one academy. Okay, and that was his really big dream. Okay, I hope children you have understood this conversation, and it was really wonderful, questions were answered. Okay, so the sports star have asked many questions, and which were answered wonderfully by this very special Lakshman. Okay, VVS Lakshman. That was really nice. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed, children. Thank you so much.